Hello everyone, I'm Darian, and this is my school project for a plant cell. This is a model of a plant cell, which is different from an animal cell in the way that it is box-shaped instead of round. See, it's like kind of box-shaped, except there's like pointies on both ends. So, let's start at the nucleus. The nucleus is the command center. It's the central command center that gives instructions to the rest of the cell, kind of like a human brain does to the body. Now, the chloroplast, where is that? Where did I put that? It's right here. The chloroplast, which is there, over there, right there. The chloroplast is very important as it traps energy from the sun and changes it into chemical energy to keep the cell alive. This is an important part of photosynthesis. I can never pronounce that. And plants need to go through this process to keep the entire plant alive. But before photosynthesis can take place, this red thing over here, I think that's the right one. Yeah. I can't remember what my mitochondria, I think that's how you pronounce it, has to be a good energy producer. So before photosynthesis can begin, this thing has to produce energy. So any red wool. Alright. Now we go over to the vacuole, which I have added something special in a second here. I'll show you. So the vacuole is basically just a waste disposal area. So any waste that the cell produces gets basically pushed out of the vacuole. And I've added something special. Alright, so you see that depression there? Well, let's go over there. See, there's wool here. Now, but if I flip this here lever, you'll hear something open. And it's a tube that goes down into the void, which is what this blackness is called. If you fall into it on survival, you die. But anyway, that's the special feature added with the vacuole. And here we have the cell membrane, which is basically and just protects most of the cell wall, kind of stuff like that. Then we have the endoplasmic reticulum, and then this is I think cryoplasm, I think. Then this blue, dark blue, is the Golgi body, and then where did I go? There we go. This, I already got that. And then nucleus. Now, this green along the edge is the cell wall. The cell walls are what holds it all together. Yeah. The cell wall is what holds it all together. And there are millions of these plant cells that are needed to keep a tree, tulip, or a shrub alive and well. Any part of the plant cell is if any part of a plant cell is damaged, then the result is that the plant itself could have damage. Environmental pollution can change the DNA of of a cell and or plant of a cell. Where was I? A cell and the plant or tree can be deformed. So, yeah, if you hear that chirping sound, that's just bats inside this thing. But this is my cross section of a plant cell on Minecraft. Let's see, I think I got everything. Yep. This is a cross section of the plant cell on that I built in Minecraft. Let's just show you this side. So this is a complete non-cross section. That's just another project. Ignore that. And this, yeah. So this has been my plant cell diagram, or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so this has been for, see whatever. This was my project for school, and hope you like it.